Hey, open up. Open up. Hey, what's up you guys? You guys are probably wondering what I'm doing in back of the bed. Let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you guys why. Alright you guys, so no more jokes. I was just messing around with that. But for today's video, we are going to be focused back here. So if you guys do remember, a couple months back, I did install some locks on the bed storage. So if you guys do have a Tacoma that has the bed storage like mine, we're going to go ahead and address that today. So in the previous generation, which is the locks that I do have right now, they did come with plastic dust covers, but those dust covers were not working too well. So I didn't install them. So by doing so, let me go ahead and show you. And just keep in mind, if you guys haven't watched the video on how I install these, it will be in the description box below. That way you guys get a full-on tutorial on how to install these. But these are the previous version from this company. And without putting the dust covers, which is what I ended up not doing because they were plastic and they kind of broke off, it makes it not good internally for these locks because it makes it really hard. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the struggle is real on that. For today's video, we're actually going to be removing these locks and we're going to be installing brand new locks. So the difference between these ones and these ones, on the brand new ones, it's the same company that did do these, but they actually updated them. So with these updated versions, they actually put an internal dust cover inside of the actual lock. So it's covered inside. You're not going to be able to tell, of course, on camera, but there is a silver chrome piece here. So basically that just helps with keeping dust out and stuff like that. I am going to be giving a set away to one lucky winner. So go ahead and stay tuned. Once I change these out, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the details on how you guys can enter. If you guys don't want to enter the giveaway and you guys just want to go ahead and purchase these brand new locks, go ahead and check down in the description box below or the pinned comment because I will make sure to link them so you guys can go ahead and purchase your own. If not, like I said, let's get the install started and one lucky winner will win. Alright, so to remove the locks, to go ahead and put the new ones, if you guys didn't watch the tutorial, make sure to watch it, but if not, check this out. It's super simple. Let's go ahead and use a flathead or a Phillips head and break the screw. Just kidding, don't break it. It's gonna be a little tight since I've had it on there for a while. Just like that. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure to save this piece here because we're gonna have to reuse it. I'm gonna be using a size 7/8 socket to go ahead and remove it. It's gonna be super simple. Give it a couple of twists and it should come off. Push it through. So that's the old one. We're not gonna reuse this no more. So let's go ahead and get the new one ready. Let's go ahead and remove this. Put it through the hole. When you put it in, you want to go ahead and make sure it's on the lock position. So how you know that? Let's go ahead and remove this. We're going to use that one. So the locking position, this should be facing up and the key should be straight up. So if it is like that, you're good to go. Let's go ahead and remove this one more time. Let's put this on. Go ahead and tighten it. Not too hard because it is plastic. You don't want to break anything. Should be good. Shouldn't move. Alright, so once again, let's throw this back on. And like I stated, it should be in the up position. The key should be straight. And that's just showing that it's in the lock position. Open, lock, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and put the screw on now. And it's either a flathead or a Phillips head. Doesn't matter on these ones. You want to go ahead and tighten, just don't over tighten, and you're good to go. Check that out. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side really quick. So now I have the brand new ones installed. I have the old ones off to the side. I'm going to go ahead and put those off to the side because I'm not going to use them anymore. And then stay tuned because once we put this in, like I said, we're going to go ahead and give you guys the details on how to win. Let's go ahead and do this. It's really quick. It's really easy. It's something everyone should buy, honestly. Tacoma should have came with this, but it's okay. I guess they decided not to even add storages on Tacomas because they took them off for the brand new ones. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and give you guys the details. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and show... Alright, let's go ahead and explain to you guys how you guys can win a cool set of locks. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys do want to go ahead and purchase them, they will be in the description box below. If not, that's fine. One lucky winner will win. So you guys do only have 1 week to enter from now until 1 week exactly. So go ahead and enter. So the way to enter, you're literally, it's going to be easy. All you have to do is comment down below one of your guys' favorite videos of mine. and then I'll go ahead and choose the winner in a week. So it's going to be that easy. So let's go ahead and see who wins. I'll see you guys next time. Please make sure to stay tuned because we are going to be doing a lot more giveaways in the future. Pretty soon, I should say. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so now that I've already... All right. So what was it? Oh, yeah. Go. Ready? Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Oh.